Ew. So good. What is up, guys? It's been a long time. Today, we're going to be trying the Revlon one-step hair dryer brush. I tried the dupe off of Amazon. That was like 25 bucks. And probably like a year after, I get an email saying like, please throw this out immediately because it has been known to start on fire. So yeah, I was like, okay, you didn't really do a good job anyway. So that's where this bad baby came in, and we're gonna try her out. Let's do it. So I washed my hair in the shower with my Hask products. This stuff is just amazing, honestly. Like, I love it so much. It leaves my hair feeling so soft and smooth, and oh, I just love it so much. But yeah, so this is the repairing shampoo, and then this is the repairing conditioner. And there's a bunch of different types that you can get, but I love the Hask products. They even have like curl gel, curl cream, and I've been wanting to try those, so maybe that'll be a review next time on, who knows, but we'll check them out. After I got out of the shower and my hair was wet, I applied the Smoothing Keratin Leave-In Conditioner Spray. This stuff I got from like TJ Maxx probably like a year ago, and it strengthens and resists heat damage and leaves hair soft for easy styling, so that's what we need today. And then I went in after my hair was pretty damp and dry a little bit. I put in this Staying Solutions Ion Straightening Blow Dry Balm. I noticed it works really good. I like it. So we shall see how it works on this. I also watched a YouTuber, I don't know her name. I will tag her in the description below. But the way that she did it, she had like kind of similar hair to me, but maybe not as curly, and she started from the top and worked her way back, and her reasoning behind that was because like once it dries or cools down, that will encourage your hair to be more lifted and more volume. So that's the method we're going to go with today. We're going to start from the front and work our way back and working it all the way up. So let's get started, shall we? So we're going to start by sectioning off the front. So we're going to take our first section, we'll clip everything else back.
This is cute.
And now we begin. Also, there are 3 settings on this. There is off, cool, so you can do like a cool shot and set everything in, or there's low and high. And it's pretty loud, so just fair warning about that. But I'll play some music for you, so you don't have to listen to that nasty, nasty noise.
Nothing you could do. There is no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep moving on. You know you make it through. I've suffered, I'm done.
Okay. So that is, oh gosh. That's oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so hopefully I'll like flip out maybe? Maybe we'll just oh, okay. We could yeah, we could do that. That would kind of work. Yeah, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Yes. Okay. That's a lot better. Now we'll pin it down. Okay, maybe out of our face. Get to the side, and then next section. Alrighty.
Waiting here for
okay. These are gonna be some whippity doos. I see. But so far, my hair is super soft and it's pretty shiny. Holy moly, yeah, this is super soft. Feels really nice so far. This part. Okay, now we'll do this pot. Ow. Okay. Yes. Loving it so far. Also, so far, this isn't too hot to touch yet. Like it blows a lot of hot heat. Trust me. Like there's steam, I should say, not smoke. But like I can just touch it. Maybe not squeeze it because the ceramic or whatever is metal. But it's like it's not too hot. I can, so if it falls, you can grab it. That's cool.
That's lost and still with fear. When I think about it, I can see it clear. Time moves fast, but feels so slow. Is this a test? 'Cause I don't wanna know.
Liking it so far.
Do you have pictures, or even a single thought? The ring that I gave you, or the necklace that I bought. Remember that fountain, or even that little shop. I didn't expect this, but you planned it from the start. I don't know what to do.
Last half to go. It's not that time consuming. It's actually been a lot faster than straightening, I would say. But lots of arm work.
All I want is you. Please don't say it's true. Don't you understand that you?
Oh my gosh, the last stretch. This piece, and then one more.
Play me like a fool.
Alright. One more frickin' piece. And we're frickin' done.
That you play me like a fool.
Okay, and well, I could have used a little less curl at the top of the bangs, but I'm just hoping it'll loosen over time. Or maybe I don't know. Maybe I did it wrong. Do some curtain bangs, maybe. I don't know. Interesting. Definitely interesting, but lots of volume, really soft. I love the curls at the bottom because then it doesn't show all my split ends and it's all frizzy and nasty. Can I switch it this way maybe? Oh, okay, we can maybe deal with that. Okay, I kind of like this way. Yes, okay. We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Ooh, I love this. I wonder how the back looks. Does the back look curled or straightened? Kind of doesn't feel like it, but I don't know. Okay, I'm actually really loving this. I'm loving this right now. Like, I am loving it. I haven't straightened my hair in so long. And this is like ideal. Oh, what's this little piece? This one looks a little weird. I don't know. I'm going out tonight. I'm going lit tonight. I'm getting lit tonight. And I'm loving my hair tonight. Ooh, I hope another guy likes it as well. And maybe buys me a drink. Because that'd be fucking swell. Ooh. Yeah. Stacy's mom has got it going on. I feel like Jackie from that '70s show. Definitely gonna have to wear some bell bottoms tonight. Okay. Love it. Yes. The last part, we're gonna use some OGX Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist, just to kind of get all the nice and shine and frizzies kind of settle down, you know. So we're just gonna spritz. It smells amazing. Okay, get that all nice and in there. Yes, baby, yes. All right, and maybe should I brush them like into each other? Maybe use like my wide tooth comb. Just kind of brush them together. You know, flip this, like that, and get them all formed together. Yes. Okay. Relax on us. Maybe tuck it behind the ear. There we go. Look at that bounce. That is a lovely bounce. The top right here could do a little something that it's not doing. But honestly, I like it a lot. It's so cute. And I feel so cool. Yes. Very voluptuous, fluffy, silky, shiny, sleek. It's CoverGirl. Just kidding, it's Revlon. Oh baby, let's get it. Boys are gonna be buying me the drinks tonight. Well guys, thank you for tuning in and watching me try out a new thing, because you know, life is too short and you gotta try new things out, because you don't want to go throughout life regretting not doing what you wanted to do. Like giving yourself a at-home blowout. You know, just looking good, feeling good, looking your best, feeling your best, doing your best. You know, babes, we gotta self-care. Gotta love yourself before you love anyone else. Self-care is key. Okay? You gotta look good, feel good, do good. No, but seriously, look good, feel good, do good. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Remember to give me a like if you liked it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like to see next. I'll tag all the things that I used in the description below. And yeah, look good, feel good, do good, babes. have a great day. Hope you're doing well. Stay safe out there. And remember, tomorrow's not promised, so live your life. Super cute, super cute, super cute. Super cute. Some clip art, you know. Oh, we gotta get Revlon in there. Soup's cute. I'm going out like this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, these pieces might not be working. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I feel like a bad bitch. Bad bitch. Fuck the bitch. Not something to think the bitch.